Recording. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Okay. Okay. For some of you, uh, good subscribers that are with me, may have seen my seat covers I showed on my laptop camera when they came yesterday. Okay, there's the 2004 crew cab truck. Okay, as you can see, this giant mess on the ground. That's all the crap I had to tear off of it to get the damn thing loose. Because I'd go to take it off and, it just pieces would start tearing off, here's the leftover leather pieces. Who knows, maybe I could use that for something. I'm the type of person I save things. Because I might could actually use this for something. Wow. Something smaller or whatever. Oh well. But anyway, here's the crew cab. Whoa! God. Okay. Okay, I'll show y'all the new leather seat bottom I put in here. It actually took about 5 hours. I had to fucking fight with it, man. Oh, I thought I accidentally turned my camera off. Make sure my time is still good. Okay. Yeah, we're still running here. Okay. See, there's the other one for the right side. I just set it up on top of the seat. Hell, it looks good just sitting up there. That side hasn't been installed yet. I don't know when I'll do that. Knowing me, I procrastinate. I may just leave that way forever. Does it really make any difference? Does it? I mean, it's not going to run any different, but, this truck's clean. It's very good. It runs good. There's the top part of the seat. You can see that's good. And this is the bottom part. I've got it installed now. Oh, yeah, it looks good. Yep. That's it. See, I didn't realize when I started this job, you have to take this seat top off. You have to take this cover off, and there's 2 bolts in there you have to take off. The other side, you lift this end up and then slide it. That end just sits on a pivot like a small shaft, to where it's not bolted on. But, it's bolted on this end. Okay, I got that. And that's my new floor mats I got. Yeah, it looks good. I just need to clean that carpet up some. The carpet's excellent in this. It needs to be cleaned up though. Oh well. Ugh. Horrible. And I need to clean this damn mess up. But I think I'm going to save that one large piece of leather. Because I could clean that. See, this part was on the side. It's just got stones on it. That could be used for something small. Okay. And this is my Harley Fat Boy, the 97. And, my new chrome axle covers that I put on it. It's all shiny. Oh well, I guess that's all y'all want to see for right now. Oh man. Here, let me give y'all a view of the. Oh, cars going by. Good. Yay, that adds to the excitement. See, there's the O2 crew cab right there. And, yeah, it's a good truck. My 98 Dodge Ram extended cab, that's a damn good truck too, you know. Oh man. Yep, this makes for a good old video. Anyway, let's see, how do I turn this off? Oh, here we go. Here's the off button. Let me see.